Hi everyone. Today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2017 May-June Paper 2-1 document production part. So in this part of the question paper, they ask us to produce a document for a company or for a school, that is Tawara Summer School. But before that, we have to prepare our evidence document for the screenshots. So I will open that file and then we'll save it as with my candidate number. So I have all the source files here. I have downloaded them, and now just double click on the evidence document. Include your name, center number, candidate number on the header or in the footer. Anywhere you just have your name and center number, candidate number as detail on the document. So just click on file, save as, then click on browse, and I'm going to save it with my candidate number as a Word document. Save it. After saving this one, next step is that you are going to edit an information sheet for Tawara School, and the company uses a corporate house style for their document. Paragraph style should be created and applied as instructed. So first of all, you need to open the file j217 brochures.rtf. This is the one. Then do not change the page size, orientation and margin. So you have nothing to do with the page setup. And then you need to save this file with the name called TSS leaflet. So I will just save this one as the name they have mentioned, TSS leaflet, and I will save it as Word document. Save it. Yeah, as they have mentioned, make sure it is saved in the format of the software you are using. So as I'm using Word document, I have saved it as a word processor document. Now evidence one, you need to take the screenshot of the file. It is saved in the document in your folder here. So this is the file. Just take a print screen and paste it into your evidence document, the file name with the file type. So this is what they need actually. Yes, normally we take the full screenshot with the folder name, so that your folder name is also clearly visible, that your folder name, and this your file name. Now next step is, in the header of TSS leaflet, you need to have your name, center number, candidate number left align in the header, and automated page number right align. So I will include here a header, insert a header here. On the left side, my name, center number and candidate number. On the right side, automated page number. So click on page number, then current position, and then just click on any one of the styles, and then just remove this one. Nothing else is required in the header, and then place in your footer the file name and path right align. So we'll insert a footer now. On the right side, we'll click on quick parts field, then find the option called file name, and then click on add path to your file name, just like that. And whatever is written here, you just delete them and then close the footer as well. Yeah, here they said make sure that all the elements match the page margins. Okay, no other placeholder included, so no other information is included into your footer and header except the information they have mentioned. So that's all. And proceeding to the next step, step number 3, you need to create some styles first. So first style is TSS title, which should be a serif font and 24 points. So we start creating the style leaflet, then we'll click here on style and create style TSS title. That must be a serif font, so Times New Roman is the best example for serif font, and with 24 point font size, center line, bold and all capital. Bold, then click on format font, and here we have an option called all caps. Click on OK, and next step is after spacing we want 11. So format paragraph, after spacing is 11 and the rest is 0, nothing, and center align they said. Click on OK. OK, it's done. Next step is you need to create one more style, TSS subtitle. So here you need to click on create, and this one must be serif 16 point, right align, only italic, no other enhancement, and after and before spacing is 0 and single line spacing as well. Font, uncheck this one. OK, and now go to paragraph, before and after spacing also 0 with single line spacing. Click on OK and click on OK. Right align, yeah, it is 16 point. You can see the information even here. Now one more style with the TSS subhead. So we'll create one more style here with the TSS subhead. This one must be serif with 14 point. Yes, so 14 point and Times New Roman and italic. And this one I'm going to change it to center align. Yeah, so center align, italic and underline they mention here. Yeah, and 11 point spacing after the format paragraph, line spacing after is 11. Just click on OK and then just click on OK as well. Done. Next step is you need to create one more style with TSS body. So style, create, then modify, sans serif with 11 point, sans serif with 11 point this time, justified, format, paragraph and justified, and then they want no enhancement and after spacing 11. So after spacing is 11, OK, and no enhancement, not bold, no italic, no underline. Click on OK. Now one more style with the TSS table. So this one must be sans serif 11, yeah, left align, and then no enhancement and before and after spacing is also 0. Click on OK and then just click on OK as well. Done. Here they said now placing your evidence document screenshot to show all the settings for TSS subhead. So we just right click on TSS subhead, modify, we'll print screen and we'll save this one as our evidence 2 for step 3. Now crop it so that the unnecessary part of the picture is cropped, only the contents that we need are clearly visible, just like that. Next step is apply the TSS title style to the title Tawara Summer School at the start of the document. So we'll go to our document now, Tawara Summer School, and we will apply to it TSS title style. Title style is applied, and then after they said below the title add the subtitle produced by and then add your name. So here you just need to type produced by and then your name, like that, and then this one is your subtitle, so you need to apply subtitle style to it. So you just select this one and then we have subtitle style. Next step is apply the TSS body style to the rest of document. So from this point onward till the end, you will apply the TSS body style. Yeah. So if you look at this paragraph, it seems little bit different from the other. So all the text must be the same. Done. Then change the layout of the page starting from the subheading International Community and all the following text into 2 columns with 1 centimeter space between them. So from this point till end, we need to change this one to layout into 2 columns and then with a 1 centimeter space between them. So this is how it will look like. And then they said identify the 8 subheading in the document and apply the TSS subhead style to each one. So you need to identify the subheading, that is 1, then 2, then this one is third one, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, and apply the TSS subhead style to them. And then after, insert a new row after history in the table and enter the following detail into the row. So after the history, this row, just click here, then right click, insert row below, and here you need to enter the data, literature, literature, and with the data 1120 and then 705. This one pound side, you just copy from here and just paste it like that. So there is no confusion, no need to look for it, you just copy and paste. Done. Then they say format the first row of the table to be bold and italic. Center a line over the 3 columns. It means that you need to merge them. So let me look for the first row. This is the first row. Yes, just click here and then right click, merge cells, just like that, and then it must be bold and italic. Bold, italic, and then shade it with a light gray background 20 to 40%. So border 20 to 40%. So this is 25, that is enough. And then center a line, they said. So this is how it will look like. Then make sure that the table fits within the width, column width, and then after the TSS table style is applied to row 2 to 8. So we select the remaining rows just like that, 1 and then the rest, and we will apply TSS table style to them. So this is how it will look like. And next step is to all text in column 1 display on one line. All the internal and external borders are displayed when it is printed. So just click on the table here, then go to the borders and select all the borders, and text in column 1, as they have mentioned here, column 1 should be in a single line. So you just need to reduce the size of these 2 cells here. So our text in the first row is in the single line, just like that. We'll try to adjust as much as we can. Yeah, so this is how it will look like. And next step is here that borders are done already. Yeah, use the data in the file J21 nationalities.csv and create a vertical bar chart to show the number of students for each country for the year 2016. So we'll open the file here, J21 nationalities, and then we'll create a chart now for the year as they have mentioned here, for vertical bar chart for each country for the year 2016. So we need to select this column and then 2016 column, and then click on insert a vertical bar graph. This is how it will look like. And then after, we need to give the proper labels. So the first one is student's nationality. It will be at the top of the chart, just like that. And next step is that label the category axis with the country title country. So here we need the x-axis label as well. So I will choose from here quick layout, and then we'll have here country as a label, and then do not display the legend, so we don't need the legend. And then after y-axis, we also don't need the label here. And now we need to format the axis, so we just click here, then right click, format axis. Now the maximum value is 1200, 1200, and an increment of 300. So increment means major unit. So that is done. Yeah, so right click here, sorry, it is just removed. 1200, maximum is 1200, and major unit is 300, and now it is done. After that, you need to insert this chart after the paragraph ending with students came from in 2016. So just copy this chart and go to your document now and look for the paragraph just here and then paste it. This is how your chart will look like. And next step is that make sure that your all chart title within the column width and all the data labels are displayed in the full. So you just cross check your chart here, so everything is clearly visible here with the country's name, country label, and then with the top heading here, student's nationality. Fine. Next step is here, you need to import an image, j21 test.jpg, below this subheading called language requirements. So we'll move to that paragraph with the label language requirements. Yeah, we'll just click here and we'll click on insert an image. We'll go to desktop to our folder. So this picture they want, J21 test, like that. And next step they mention here, reflect the image so it look like this. So you need to reflect the image now. Just click here, so means right click, format picture, then I will click on reflection. So we don't have option of reflection, but reflection means 3D rotation, and I will rotate this on 180 degree on x-axis, so it will look like that. And then after, you need to resize this image to 4 centimeter wide. So right click, format picture, or you can see here the width and just mention here 4 centimeter. That's it. and then align this image to the top of the paragraph starting all summer training teaching. Right click, first of all wrap the text, and then if you look at the picture, it's just at the left, and then with align with the top of the paragraph all summer school. And here they said make sure the text is wrap around. We are done with it. It may look like this. So done. Now you have to spell check and proofread the document. So just press F7 button from the keyboard. Yeah, just click on F7 here. So ignore Tawara, and there is no other grammatical mistake in this document. So you cross check that there is no blank pages, no widow orphan, the table is not split into two columns, house style specification has been applied accurately, the image and graph are placed within the width of column, and spacing between all the item is consistent. So just cross check one time if everything is absolutely fine here. So if you just check here, almost everything is done, accurately arranged. Yeah, so that's all, we are done with it. Yes, this one is not bold. Yeah, normal. Just click on save, and you need to print this document, and that's all from the document part of this question paper. So hope you have learned how to deal with the document. So thanks for watching, and subscribe the channel for more videos and updates.